Hello, welcome to the channel, to the Learn. Without wasting time, let's get started with this playlist. Introduction to Power BI. About Microsoft official statement or definition. Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Your data may be an Excel spreadsheet, or a collection of cloud-based and on-premises hybrid data warehouses. Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what's important, and share that with anyone or everyone you want. Official statement states that this is very powerful tool, but I think it is bit too much complicated to understand at this stage. In simple word, Power BI is BI, it means business intelligent tool, which allow you to visualize, analyze and share data, that's it. One more interesting thing is, Power BI is BI tool for everyone. You don't need any kind of experience, specific knowledge, degree, diploma to work with this tool. Let's move forward and start with how Power BI organize, how it's structured, and how it works. In Power BI, there are three fundamental areas. The first part, data preparation and its analysis. Second part is visualization. And the last part is creating dashboards, reports and share them with users. Let's check out the very first part, data preparation and its analysis. In this section, we need to learn what means data preparation and analysis. So to understand it means connecting Power BI to different source files and to work on that unstructured or raw information. If you are familiar with Microsoft Excel, then that's it, you are already done with this area. We need to just organize data in structural manner. The ultimate aim to structure data is to use for analysis purpose. Analyzing data in Power BI is very simple task, like calculations, change its data type and some other stuff. We will take deeper that in this playlist. Second fundamental part is visualization. We can create too many types of visualization in Power BI. That could be line chart, column charts, pie diagram or advanced visuals like maps. Data which we prepared, that the main task of this fundamental area. Nowadays visualization in everything is matters. The last fundamental part is creating dashboards, reports and share them with other users. You can share your project with your team or any outside organization or person. Just you need to grant permission accordingly. The most beautiful and attractive part in Power BI is creating the dashboards. These three fundamentals make Power BI as powerful tool. Let me clear one thing, Power BI is a set of combined tools interact with each others. There are three types of Power BI are available. First one is Power BI desktop version. Second one is Power BI Service Pro. And third one is Power BI mobile application. Let's take a look on one by one on these three types. The first type, that is Power BI's desktop version. It is freely available on Windows. It covers many of areas such as data preparation, visualization and creating reports. Reports are summarization of the all work done. This is second powerful version, after Power BI Service Pro. The second type is Power BI Service Pro. It is cloud application. You just need to log in by a Microsoft account. You can create same as visuals reports like Power BI desktop version. The main difference is that we can create dashboard in it. So what is dashboard? Dashboard are summary of all work in a single page with core visuals of the report. Also we can done sharing and collaboration in Power BI Service Pro version. The third type of Microsoft Power BI is its mobile application. This application is available on App Store and Google Play Store. It simply allows to access our information, our dashboard from anywhere. We can access it from our mobile phone and we can share it to client mobile as well. That's it. We are all done about introduction of Power BI. We will dive deeper in all these components. We'll react with the project and cover all theoretical as well as practical part in this playlist. We will start Power BI desktop version in next video. Lastly, be nice and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care.